Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and you know Tuesday's review day, and I have the Happee glass paint. And took this out of here. It's in a trap. And this is it right here. And let's see. Doesn't have much on it. It says used by 5/10/2020, and then it says it's 12 fine colors of glass paint. It's got bright natural color, formulated by maximum adhesion to all clean dry glass, fast drying, and then it is scratch and water resistant. So you know that I do these things for Christmas and things. So, and this is it right here. So those are really pretty, and I'll think of lots of things to do with them, and I will show you. I'm going to come on more with my arts and crafts. I don't know why I don't, but I will. And this is the instructions. So, I'll put this back in the box. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. Have your friends and neighbors come and join. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.